How many do you have?
Not too many, unfortunately.
Well, we're gonna have to hurry.
Where's Papa?
What?
The Reverend Andy, is he around?
I haven't seen him.
I hope he comes in.
Dude, from Dracula's daughter to Miss Priss in one day?
She should have had what she wants.
You know, that must be kind of nice. To feel like you never have to hide anything or cover anything up.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey, Lon, your shift over?
Not quite.
Oh, I'm late. I'm out of here. But I gotta go eat dinner with my parents, man. I'm late. Hey, look, Joey. You know everything you need to do. Just do it. It'll be amazing.
So, you staying late tonight?
Oh, am I staying late? Not too late, no. So you're staying late tonight?
Not too late.
Boy, it's sure quiet in here. There's no suicide calls or anything to lighten anything up. I didn't mean to say that. I'm sorry.
I know. It's all right.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we can order now.
Why are you so late, Billy?
I was giving swimming lessons and the gymnasium clock hasn't been turned up yet.
You were at the community center.
No, I just told you where I was.
No, you were at the community center.
But
We
Dad...
know you're lying, Billy. And apparently not for the first time this week. Reverend Carpenter was here and he told us you were at the center.
Working at the center.
Just yesterday.
And you told him you had our permission.
Why are you guys so freaked out about that place? I mean, it's just to help out. You're always saying we have to volunteer our time.
You pick your charities carefully. You don't rush into places like the Front Street Center.
But all my friends are there. Joey Buchanan's there, and Alana, and the DA's daughter, Rachel. And besides, I have lots of fun there.
You could get killed there.
Look, if you're so keen on doing charity work, I'm sure there are charities closer to home. The Historical Association, I'm sure, could use some volunteers. You don't have to go into East Landview.
Oh, I see. So, only certain kinds of people in certain neighborhoods deserve help, is that it?
Billy.
Andrew Carpenter says the work I do there is great.
Yeah, well, Andrew Carpenter isn't your father. Now, this is the bottom line. This is my last word on the subject. You are not to go anywhere near that center. You are not to participate in any activities there. And the only time I want you spending with Andrew Carpenter is when he's giving a Sunday sermon at church. Well, at least you've made friends with Joey Buchanan. Seems like a really nice kid.
Oh, you approve of it. I'm sure he'll be glad to hear that.
Maybe he'll introduce you to some nice girls this summer.
Why do I feel like we've had this conversation before?
Why don't you watch your tone? Oh, I forgot to tell you. I'm playing golf with Norman Manson Saturday.
That's terrific.
Well, it's amazing what a big promotion will do for one's desirability as a golfing partner.
Amazing.
Beg pardon?
Nothing, sir.
Have you given any thought to the committees here at the club?
I'm still thinking about it.
Why does it take you so long just to make such a simple choice?
I'm trying to find out which mothers of which girls are on which committee. You do your kind of research, I do mine. I have to find the proper debutante to be Billy's dream girl.
Did you see the paper today about Herb Callison? Well, what kind of a town is this?
Politics is a corrupt profession. All that glad-handing and favor-seeking. And don't